Sorting. Sorted set and sorted map interfaces both uses sort method in collections class to sort the elements. Sort method is a static method. Iterators are guaranteed to traverse in sorted order. Both preset and remap are ordered collection implementations. There are two ways to sort the elements. First one is implement comparable interface by your class and declare int compare to method inside the class. And the second one is implement comparator interface and declare the int compare method inside the class. The first one must be implemented by all elements in sorted set. Also must be implemented by all keys in sorted map. Let's look at the int compare to method. This method takes an object as a parameter, defines natural order for that object class. In the second method, comparator interface defines a function that compare two objects. Let's look the function. The function takes two object type parameters and compare them. Sorting collections. Array list doesn't give you any way to sort its contents, but the Java util collections class does. Here is an example code. In line number 1 we import Java util all the classes. In line number 4 we declare an array list called stuff as type string. Then in that line we initialize the array. After initializing the array, in line number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we add 5 string objects called Kamal, Ananda, Vishwa, Srimal and Banda. In line number 10 we print the output as the unsorted array. After print the output, in line number 11 we sort the array by calling the collections.sort method by passing stuff array list as a parameter. In line number 12 we print the output, the sorted output of the stuff array list. So finally in the first output we got Kamal, Ananda, Vishwa, Srimal, Banda, and then we got the sorted array like Ananda, Banda, Kamal, Srimal and Vishwa. So let's examine another code. Here we declare two classes called person and sort called to. Inside sort called to class, in line number 10 we declare and initialize an array called stuff. In line number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 we add 5 person class objects to the array list called stuff. In line number 17 we going to print the unsorted stuff array list. In line number 18 we sort the array list by calling sort method. In line number 19 we going to print the sorted array. When we compiling this program we get a compile error at line number 18. Why is this happen? Let's examine that. The sort method takes a list argument and that the objects in the list must implement an interface called comparable. It turns out that string implements comparable, and that's why we were able to sort a list of strings using the collection.sort method. Next we will discuss about the comparable interface. The comparable interface is used by the collections.sort method and the Java util arrays.sort method to sort lists and arrays of objects. To implement comparable, a class must implement a single method called compare2. So now let's look at the compare2 method. Compare2 method compare two objects. If the first object is less than the second object, it gives a negative value. If the first object and second object is equal to each other, it gives 0. If the first object is greater than the second one, it gives a positive value. Here is the altered code for previous example. In here we implements comparable interface by person class and declare the compare_to method inside the class. Notice compare_to method takes object as a parameter. We are going to compare the value of name variable of two person objects. So in line number 8 we cast the object to a person type object, otherwise we will get a compile error. Also notice here in line number 11 we declare the string to string method.